we're down here at the basement, and I just wanted to take a little bit of time and talk about what's going on down here. In each one of these rehabilitations that we do, there's always some kind of unexpected event or unexpected job that comes up that we figure out that we have to take care of before we can sell the property. And over here on South Street, what we found out was the wastewater pipe to the street had collapsed. So we're in the process of replacing the wastewater pipe from the house out to the public sewer. So this was an unexpected event. We didn't realize that we were going to have to tackle this job, but the plus for the new homeowner is they will have a completely new wastewater system as part of the rehabilitation of this house. So what we're doing is spending a little bit of extra money that we didn't realize we were going to have to spend in order to afford the buyer peace of mind in their new purchase. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. The kitchen's starting to come together. Granite countertops have been installed. The appliances, the stove and the microwave. Cabinetry is in, as you can see. The life-proof flooring, the 100% life-proof flooring with the lifetime warranty has been installed on the floor. We're just waiting for the chandelier to come into the kitchen here. And as you can see, this kitchen is going to be the center point for your entertaining. We have this great island, and the kitchen flows into the living room and the dining room, and I can imagine the family or the person that buys this house is going to have a great time entertaining their friends and family out of this kitchen. In the kitchen, we have these exposed beams. So when Find Solutions Properties bought this place, somebody had already started to do some demolition work or some rehab work, and we found the kitchen with the exposed beams when we purchased it. What we decided to do was just incorporate that concept into the design. So we have this exposed beam situation here in the kitchen. Here we are in the mudroom coming right off of the backyard. This is the part of the house that I really like for some reason. Maybe it's because I have kids that like to play sports and I have dogs that like to go outside and get muddy, but this is the mudroom entrance off of the backyard. So you'll be able to come in off of the backyard, bring the muddy kids, bring the muddy dog in, get laundry into the laundry, and then you have a half a bath here to get cleaned up. This room is really starting to come along and looks a lot different than it was the first time we were out here in episode 1. So here we are in the living room and the dining room combination. You can see those great historic front doors coming into the living room. The floor is being sanded and refinished as we speak. Woodwork's been painted. Replacement windows are in. Ceiling fans in. And really this room's done, just waiting for its finishing touches. This is going to be your focal point for entertaining, relaxing after work and school, watching football on the weekends. This is your main living quarters at 432 South Street. Main bathroom, second floor bathroom. Life-proof flooring is in. Tiling is going in. You can see we chose to do subway tiles, which accent the marble, the stylized marble tiling in the bathroom surround. This room is just waiting for the grout to be finished in the bathroom and the tile surround. We're going to have our pedestal sink coming in, and the toilet needs to be installed. But again, as you can see, the bathroom's really coming together, and there's been a lot of improvement and a lot of progress here in the second floor bathroom. Second floor bedroom. This is the walk-through bedroom. This room is also more than halfway done. So we have the ceiling fan's been installed, painting's done in this room, more replacement windows. The last thing that needs to happen in this room is we have to make some decisions about the flooring. So this room is either going to have refinished hardwood floor or some carpeting. Front second floor bedroom, same thing. Ceiling fans in, closets are done. This room's just waiting for flooring. So here we are in the back bedroom, and in the first episode I highlighted some of the original woodwork that was here. Since that time, that woodwork's been scraped, cleaned, and painted, and this is the result. It's brightened up this room. The paint scheme has brightened up this room tremendously. It looks like almost an entirely new place. But here is some of that antique carved woodworking that we've kept in this house in order to pay homage to the historic nature of this home. Third floor bathroom. This is the bathroom in the third floor master suite, or what we're designing and marketing as the third floor master suite. Again, we've got some subway tile accents on this marble finished ceramic tile in the shower surround. You can see this is coming together. It's going to look nice. I think the styles that have been selected really match with the historic nature of the house, although it does have a modern feel. So we've really tried as much as we can to bring the old and the new themes together and blend them so that each one is playing off the other and accentuating the other. So the old accentuates the new and vice versa. But again, third floor master bathroom. The master study. So you could have your home office here, a multimedia room, a sitting room, maybe a dressing room. If you need some extra closet space, you have somebody who's really into clothes. This is up here on the third floor along with this master suite. And this is our bonus room for the master of the house. Third floor master bedroom. This is what we've designed and what we're going to market as the third floor master bedroom. It is the largest bedroom in the house. We've also added a very nice sized closet with lighting. Again, ceiling fan, replacement windows, and the third floor master suite is going to have all brand new carpet. In the backyard, we can see some of the most progress. So there's going to be a really big difference between our first episode that we shot out here and what we see now in this episode. The trees have come down, the backyard's been leveled and re-landscaped, and you can see that there's a lot of work that's been done to prepare this backyard for the new buyers. This is your blank canvas where you can create your backyard barbecue pit, your garden, just an area to relax and play with the kids, let the dogs run. There's also plenty of room back here so that the new buyer is going to be able to comfortably park at least 2 cars. So for the folks that ask to see the backyards, this backyard probably gives you the best before and after shot. I'm Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. This has been the latest episode of In the Works. Thanks for tuning in. Also, I need everybody out there to do me a couple of favors. I need you to like, share, and subscribe. Keep these videos moving around. We're bringing attention to our community here in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. We're bringing attention to the revitalization efforts that are going on in our community. Share these videos with your friends and family. Let them know what's going on here in the borough of Pottstown. One last time, I'm Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in to In the Works.